Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 12th, subject economics, and our today's topic is, or I can say that we are going to discuss today about the determination of exchange rate in a free market. When we talk of exchange rate today, we are obviously referring to flexible exchange rate. And as stated earlier, it is determined by the forces of supply and demand in the foreign exchange rate. यानी हमेशा जो फॉरेन एक्सचेंज रेट जो है इन ए फ्री मार्केट ये डिटरमाइन होती है सिर्फ सप्लाई और डिमांड की ताकत से. Thus, the theory of determination of rate of exchange is the demand and supply theory. According to the theory, the rate of exchange of a country's currency is determined by its demand and supply in the international money market. While there is an inverse relationship between price and demand, price and supply are positively related so that while the demand curve tends to slope down, supply curve tends to slope upward. In the words of Korihara, a free exchange rate tends to be such as to equate the demand for the supply of foreign exchange. Let us attempt a brief description of supply and demand factors. यानी डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ एक्सचेंज रेट इन ए फ्री मार्केट किसी कंट्री की डिमांड और सप्लाई पे डिपेंड करती है. और जहां तक डिमांड फॉर फॉरेन एक्सचेंज का ताल्लुक है या फॉरेन करेंसी का ताल्लुक है, व्हाई इज फॉरेन एक्सचेंज डिमांडेड? क्यों फॉरेन एक्सचेंज की डिमांड हो रही है? इट इज डिमांडेड फॉर पर्पस ऑफ, ये किस लिए इसकी डिमांड होती है? तो नंबर 1 है पेमेंट्स ऑफ इंटरनेशनल लोन्स, पेमेंट्स ऑफ इंटरनेशनल लोन्स. तो नंबर 2 है इन्वेस्टमेंट इन रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, इन्वेस्टमेंट इन रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. Number 3, direct purchases abroad as well as imports from rest of the world. Or number 4 is speculative trading in foreign exchange by our residents. All these components of demand start rising in response to a fall in the price of foreign currency in relation to the domestic currency. However, they tend to scale down in case price of the foreign currency in relation to the domestic currency happens to rise. अब जहां तक बात है सप्लाई ऑफ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज की, सप्लाई ऑफ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज, supply of foreign exchange. Supply of foreign exchange depends on the following factors. और ये डिपेंड करती है सप्लाई ऑफ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज या सप्लाई ऑफ फॉरेन करेंसी, ये डिपेंड करती है नीचे इन कुछ पॉइंट्स पर. नंबर 1 है एक्सपोर्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री टू रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. Exports to country to rest of the world. Exports of the country to rest of the world. Number 2 is direct foreign investment. direct foreign investment like installation of Walmart stores in the domestic market. Number 3 is foreign institutional investment. Foreign institutional investment like purchase of shares of the domestic companies by the foreigners. Number 4 is direct purchase of goods and services. Direct purchase of services, goods and services by the non-residents in the domestic market. And number 5 is remittances by the non-residents. By the non-residents living in foreign countries. तो ये कुछ फैक्टर्स थे जो डिपेंड करते हैं सप्लाई ऑफ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज पर इन रेमिटेंसेस बाय द नॉन रेजिडेंट्स लाइक इन फॉरेन कंट्रीज. ईच ऑफ दीज कंपोनेंट्स of supply shows a positive response to a rise in price of the foreign currency, while a negative response occurs in case of a fall in price. Thus, when price of the foreign currency rises in relation to the domestic currency, there are large remittances from abroad. Purchases by the non-residents tend to rise, exports to rest of the world start rising, and foreign direct investment as well as institutional investment tend to increase. Now we will discuss in my next lecture about the equilibrium rate of exchange, or we can say that in addition to this, two important factors that explain a rise in demand for a foreign currency in response to a fall in its price in terms of the domestic currency is, number one is, when foreign currency, say US dollars, becomes cheaper in relation to their domestic currency, we get more dollar per unit of our currency. Accordingly, imports became lucrative. This raises demand for foreign currency. And number two is, when foreign currency becomes cheaper and purchasing power of domestic currency increases, in the international money market, domestic investors will be reduced to make greater investment in rest of the world. Accordingly, demand for foreign currency rises. And two important factors that explain a fall in the supply of a foreign currency when its price in terms of the domestic currency falls, or when foreign currency becomes cheaper in relation to domestic currency, purchasing power of the foreign currency in the domestic economy tends to reduce. This causes a reduction to exports from the domestic economy. Accordingly, supply of foreign currency reduces. Number two is, when foreign currency becomes cheaper in relation to domestic currency and its purchasing power reduces in the domestic market, foreigners are less inclined to make FDI, foreign direct investment. Accordingly, supply of foreign currency reduces. तो कल हम इंशाल्लाह ये पढ़ेंगे इक्विलिब्रियम रेट ऑफ एक्सचेंज. तो टिल देन उम्मीद करता हूँ आपसे कि आप घरों में बैठकर अच्छे से पढ़ाई करते होंगे ताकि कल को आप अच्छे नंबरात लेकर पास होंगे. बेटा, किताबों को अपना दोस्त बनाइए और इनसे लो लगाइए, इनसे मोहब्बत कीजिए, क्योंकि इन्हीं से दोस्ती करके आप कुछ मुकाम हासिल कर सकते हैं. बाकी टीवी देखना, बेफजूल मोबाइल फ़ोन्स पे वीडियोस देखना या कोई गैर ज़रूरी वीडियोस देखना, यानी इन लेक्चर्स के अलावा जो भी आप देखते होंगे वो सभी बेकार हैं। तो इसलिए अपने अपने आप की फ़िक्र कीजिए। अब ज़िंदगी बनाने में अपनी ज़िंदगी को बनाइए, संवारिए, घर घर बैठे अच्छे से पढ़ाई कीजिए। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच।